Any, 1 to 3 parenting strategies or tips you can leave everyone with that they can run with right away?
Yeah, with COVID going on, I really want to emphasize that self-care is so important. It's
Yes.
easy when we're talking about parenting to just dive into, okay, this is what you need to do with your child. But
Yeah.
really, if your own needs aren't met, then it's so hard to be able to meet your kids' needs. And
Right.
so I really just want to encourage parents to do that. You might have to get creative because everybody's home,
Right.
but jump in the shower and just have some time to yourself, or go on a walk around the block, whatever it takes to be able to get that
Yeah.
time to yourself to rejuvenate.
And what do you do for your own self-care? You've got 5 kids running around now at home. What are ways that you incorporate that into your life?
Oh yeah, that was tricky when all the kids were at home.
Yeah.
Um, Often I would go on a walk. I
Okay.
would just walk around the neighborhood. Just, maybe I would call my friend while I was walking. But just to have that quiet and that time to myself was huge. Other times I would just, sit down at the piano, play a song just to kind of soothe myself. And one thing that I've been doing for a long time is I have a weekly phone call with my friend who lives in Utah. And that's a huge part of my self-care because I look forward to that. We basically coach each other on what's
That's
going on in our
great.
lives. And yeah, that really
Yeah.
helps with my self-care.
I love that. Awesome. So is there another parenting strategy that you want to, or tip that you want to leave people with?
I want to emphasize the concept of kindness and firmness in parenting, because I feel like that is the key formula for successful parenting. A lot of times, especially these days, parents might be really nice to their kids, but they don't have the limits set that they need.
Mm.
Or it could be the opposite, where they're very firm with their kids, but the kids don't feel the connection to the parent.
Yeah.
So it's important to include both kindness and firmness.